Now that you've seen some of the amazing things generative AI can do, in this module we're going to learn how to build full-scale applications with it. I'm here to guide you through this module. I am an AI architect at a company where I help developers like you build the next generation of AI-powered applications. This module is part of a larger series that will teach you everything you need to know about building with generative AI. In this module, we'll look at three important concepts: LangChain, vector databases, and RAG or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Let's have a look. First up, LangChain. LangChain is an open-source framework for building applications with large language models. It was created to address the complexity of developing LLM-based applications. With LangChain, you can do three important things. First, you can chain together multiple LLM outputs by incorporating LLM-generated text into the prompts of subsequent LLMs. This way you can build complex logic and create multi-step workflows. Second, you can fetch context from your own knowledge base and incorporate it into the LLM's context. And third, you can add memory to chatbots so they remember what was said in previous messages. Next, we have vector databases. Vector databases are specialized for storing and retrieving data as vectors. Vectors are nothing new. You probably already know about them if you've worked with machine learning before. In the world of LLMs, vectors are used to represent text, documents, or any other kind of data that needs to be analyzed by the model. The power of vector databases comes from their ability to find similar items efficiently. They are perfect for use cases where you need to find similar items, or where you need to perform complex searches across large volumes of data. For example, you can use a vector database to store documents from your knowledge base and then use them to retrieve relevant information when needed. And finally, let's talk about RAG or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. RAG is a powerful technique that combines the flexibility of LLMs with the accuracy and reliability of documents in your knowledge base. It works by first retrieving relevant documents from your knowledge base using a search engine, and then feeding those documents to the LLM to generate a response. This way you can ensure that your LLM-powered application always has access to the most up-to-date and relevant information available in your knowledge base. By the end of this module, you'll know how to use LangChain, vector databases, and RAG to build your own simple AI assistant or product prototype that can respond to user queries with contextual intelligence. We'll cover topics such as fine-tuning vs embedding, API orchestration, and how to integrate with front-end platforms to build a complete LLM-powered application. So if you're ready to take your AI journey to the next level and learn how to build with generative AI, then this module is for you. All you need is an internet connection and a desire to learn. So let's get started. Welcome to the world of generative AI. Building with generative AI is not just about using fancy tools. It's about solving real-world problems and creating amazing user experiences. Let's go.